I am going to show you how to make a digital vision board for absolutely free using iPicky.com. Now, no matter what type of business you are in, whether it be that you are selling instant downloads on Etsy, which has been my main focus, and I'm really trying to get into other areas of online business as well. Whether you want to become a CEO of a major company, or if you want to run a 5-mile marathon, whatever it is in life that you want to accomplish, you need to have a vision board. Now, the vision board came from a subject which is called the law of attraction, and that is like another video in itself. So a lot of people make vision boards different ways. And before I get more into this video, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification, because you don't want to miss out on any future videos about making money online. So people make vision boards in different ways. You can go buy a piece of poster board and you can cut pictures out of magazines, newspaper, you can print them out online. And is what these pictures are, these are things that you would like to manifest in life. What is it that you want? What is your why in life? What is it that you want most? So there are several different ways to do this. I actually had made at the beginning of the year a vision book planner. So that was another way. So if you want to have something that's digital for personal use, this is just for you as a reminder of why you are doing your business, then this video is for you. So I am in iPicky.com, and this is 100% completely free to use. We're going to click right here on Create a Design. Now, you can make this whatever size you would like. I am going to actually make it into a poster size, but there's a problem. With iPicky, it will only allow you to go to 4,000 pixels. So I'm wanting to make a 24 by 36. Actually, I'm wanting to make it 36 by 24 so that it's in landscape mode. And this is something you can save to your desktop, and you can look at it every time you get on your computer to remind yourself why you are doing what you're doing. So if I click here and click New, I'm going to need the pixels. Well, how I'm going to get the pixels is I'm going to go over here to ninjaunits.com. And this is also a free site to use. You can convert inches to pixels, and then you can also convert pixels to inches. So it allows you to do that. Now with digital files, you only need a DPI of 72 to 75, something like that. So you don't really have to worry about the DPI, because this is just something that is for personal use only. So I'm going to go here and I am going to select 75 DPI. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put 36 right here, and that tells me that I need 2,700 pixels. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click New, and for the width I'm going to put 2,700. Okay, so now I'm going to put 24, and that tells me I need 1,800 pixels. So in the height, I'm going to put 1,800, and then we are going to click to create our template. Now, this is poster size, even though it doesn't seem like it on this screen. If you were to take this somewhere and have it printed, it will indeed print out as a 24 by 36 or 36 by 24. Well, you can get as creative as you want with this. And you can start out with, you can make it just plain like this, or you can add some digital paper and kind of make it. So my favorite color is pink, and I picked this pink paper with light white colored polka dots on it. And you don't have to worry about anything that ever hangs off the edge here, because it's only going to save what is actually inside of this box right here. Okay, so I have already uploaded ahead of time for the video some things that I would like to add to my vision board. So now we're going to start adding some photos. So I'm just going to drag this photo over here. This is a house. I'm going to blow it up just so you can see it. I have always wanted a farmhouse and land, like acres. So I've always wanted that. So we can put this here, and you can tilt it however you want to do it. Just make sure that the main part that you want to keep in here stays between the lines. So we're going to keep adding some photos. I would love to get married again someday, and I would love to have a real wedding and a beautiful wedding. Travel. I would love to be able to just travel the world. This is actually a view of St. Thomas Island Bay. I have been there before, and it is absolutely just beautiful. So we're going to keep adding some photos of things, and you can save this and you can always upload this again, and you can, you know, add more things to it. And you can even make several different vision boards. So I'm going to add this picture of the plane. When I travel, I love to fly. So there's a picture of the tail of a plane. And I can tilt this a little bit. And you can overlap these. This is your vision board. And you can even write some text on here if you would like to, like, you know, Alicia's vision board, or you can write something a little more creative, you know, something about this is what Alicia is going to manifest. So I'm just going to keep adding some pictures here. I've always wanted a big, light, airy kitchen like this with the dark wood floors. I think it's so beautiful. And actually, I have seen someone who made a video on Facebook a long time ago, and she kept talking about this house that she wanted to manifest, and she actually did manifest it. It took her a couple of years, but she did. You just have to remain positive and believe that you can do absolutely anything that you set your mind to. Okay, I'm going to add this. Who doesn't love lots of money? So we want to make sure we have plenty of money in our bank account. And I'm just going to kind of tilt this a little bit. You can do that. And then I'm just going to keep adding some more photos. This is a picture right here of a dining room. And I'm blowing it up, and then I'll make it smaller. And I love this because it's a big dining room table and there's lots of windows. So I wanted a house with lots of windows, and I want a place where I can invite all of my family and my children and my grandchildren over to where I can have dinners. So I loved that one, and I'm going to put this one kind of over here. Here's another thing. I have always wanted to have a library. I absolutely love this library. However, I would probably have this painted white. I love the bookshelves with all of the books, and you can even go to thrift stores and collect books in addition to your very favorite books. So this is something else I would love to have. you can also add quotes. This one is very important. I am not stopping until I manifest everything I said I would. So this is just making yourself inspirational quotes that you can add on here. Okay, so I think you get the idea of how you can do this. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save this to my desktop, and I'm going to put Alicia's vision board, and I'm going to save it to my desktop. Now, when I go to my desktop and I go to pull up this photo, it is going to show me the vision board that I just created. And I can always pull this up whenever I need to remember why I am sitting on the computer for so many hours and why I'm doing what I'm doing. So here this is in poster size. This is my vision board, and you can make these smaller because if you were to print this out, these pictures are going to look really big on a 24 by 36. So you can make these smaller enough to add more. I just made this bigger for the purposes of this video. So I hope this video was helpful to you. You can get as creative as you want with this, and you can just go to town. But I highly recommend that regardless of what type of business you're in, or if you're not in a business. And I mean, if you're a stay-at-home mom and you just want to manifest a vacation, or you want to manifest, you know, a bigger home for the size of your family, whatever it is you want in life, you should make a vision board. The reason I like to do this digitally is because you can easily go to Pinterest, you can go online, and you can find pictures to add to your vision board. And because this is for personal use only, you are not violating anything because you're not selling this. So these are other people's pictures, but I'm not using these in any way, shape, or form other than for personal use. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any comments about your experience with a vision board, please leave them in the comments section below. Also, if you have not joined my Facebook groups, I have 2 of them. One of them is called the Boss Up Society, and I'm trying to get that one going here soon with a lot more ideas on different types of businesses. If you are into Etsy, please join my Facebook group. It's called Etsy Passive Income. Make sure you do answer the questions, and one of the moderators or myself will allow you into the group. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.